Welcome to DevScope Technological Videos. If you are dealing with a lot of information and you don't want to upload all the data every time you refresh your Power BI, I have a solution for you. Today, I will explain to you how to implement incremental refresh in 3 simple steps. First, let me just explain to you what I have here. I've just connected an SQL with the Power BI, and what we are seeing here is the Stack Overflow database. And here, for this example, I'm just using the posts table. So, I will not show to you how to connect because it's not the point of this video, but you can see that all the information is here. Now, what you need to do is go to the transform data and then create 2 parameters. Let me just get the table here, this tab here. And now you go here to manage parameters and you click on manage parameter or new parameter because it's the new parameter that you are going to create. So it's very important that you give this exact name, that is range with capital R, start, and then here it should be date time type, and we can use, for example, 01. It's not important the value that you put here because when you upload information this will be refreshed. So 2023, and then create another parameter that will have the name, range, and so will also be date time type, and then let's just put a number like this. Okay, so now that you have these 2 parameters, you just close and apply, and what we are going to do next is to apply this filter to the data that you have. So let's go again to transform data and let's select the column that you will use to filter data. So just go here to creation date and click in this part and you will select date time filters, and then you can say that is after the, and here you will choose parameter range start, and should be also before. Select again parameters, and now you have to put range end. Okay. Now when you click on close and apply button, the data that you have will be filtered just for these dates. Now that you have your date, the date that is filtered, you should go now to the table, and you will see that you'll be able to implement this incremental refresh. So just right click on the table, and you will see that you have now an option that says incremental refresh. So you just say, okay, I want to incremental refresh this table. You can choose the amount of data that you want to keep. So let's put, for example, 30 days of archive data. And then you will say that you will want to incrementally refresh, and let's choose, for example, 1 week or 15 days. 15 days. Now you have these 3 different options. This one is just available if you have premium, so we will not go further on this, and we will select the option of only refresh complete days. It means that the data will just be refreshed when the day is over. And then you also have the detect data change option, where you can look to another column and see if there is any change on that date, and just update the information that is not the same. So in this case, for example, we can use the last activity date, and instead of uploading all the information, we will just upload the information that have been changed on the last 15 days. So here we have a resume of the setup that we have chosen. So we have 30 days before the refresh date, data will be archived. Then the incremental refresh will start 15 days before the refresh date. And because we have selected the detected data change option, the ones that will be updated will be just the ones that are not with the same last activity date. So we just click on apply, and now the incremental refresh is implemented. Now you can just publish your report just like you used to do, and just keep on using and refreshing the information with this setup. I would like to call your attention for this point is that you should always keep your PBX file with you, because as you can see this, you will not be able to download this file. I have it already uploaded here, and now you can see that you cannot download. So pay attention to this, because you will not be able to download it. Every change that you will do on your PBX file, it should be done locally and then upload it to the server. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time.